Okay, students, I'm going to take you through this gizmo, through some of the key parts of it. You got to do a lot of exploration and trying to figure some of these things out on your own. And I want to make sure you get it how it actually is in the human body system. So, as far as the large organs, you would have the mouth and the pharynx, your stomach, and then the two parts of the small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. Okay, those are the parts where the food actually passes through. All these small organs or accessory organs, these add things to the digestive tract. All right, so this is going to help us with the digestion. So I'm going to run through a cheeseburger and we're going to watch it go. Okay, so first you have the saliva, and that moistens up the food. It goes through the esophagus. We have hydrochloric acid and pepsin, and the stomach churns it up. Okay, so I want to go back here to the stomach. The stomach is churning it up, mixing it up, and breaking it up mechanically, right? And then you also have chemicals that are added which break down the food chemically as well. All right, here we go. Let's see. It's about to go into the small intestine. You can watch the analysis. Let's go back to the beginning. This time, let's watch the analysis. These are the nutrients that are in this hamburger in the beginning. Okay, and let's watch what happens to the food as it goes. Okay, so already in the mouth, you had a lot of the, oh my goodness, shush. In the mouth, you already had a lot of those complex carbohydrates being broken down. Okay, in the stomach. Now, here we go, into the intestines. Look how fast those nutrients were converted. Okay. Okay, now nothing really is happening anymore. Nothing's really being digested. Okay, nothing's really happening to these numbers. A little bit here. And then we have our waste, which is a mess. Okay, here's the problem with this system right here. The problem with this system, I'm going to pause for a second. I'm going to put this in a question. Okay, so the problem with this system is nothing was absorbed. The food came in, it was broken down into smaller pieces chemically and mechanically, but the cells got nothing. All right, so the only way you can have the cells picking anything up is if you have capillaries being added, lymphatic vessels being added, and that way, now let's watch it. Now let's watch it, and we can see if anything's being absorbed. Okay, it's being digested. Now we can watch in the small intestine. Now look right here, absorbed. The numbers that are being absorbed into the blood vessels. This is the whole point of digestion, you guys. The only way digestion is going to do anything is if we have the nutrients being absorbed. Okay, and maybe it's not going to be so watery this time, hopefully. Okay, here we go. All right. I'm done.